Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I would like to share with you my first proper macrame project. This wall hanging is straightforward and fantastic as a Christmas decoration last minute. So let's get started. For this project I used copper wire star 45 cm big and 97 pieces of rope, each was 50 cm long. As usual, I will put everything in the description box below. The first knot I did was Lark's head knot. It's very easy. You need to make a loop and take 2 pieces of the cord through the loop, and that's it. Seriously, that's how easy it is. Now you only need to repeat this knot like 97 times. Good luck. After that, I took the whole ball of rope and connected it with the smaller pieces of string that I knotted around the star. Just place the long string on top of the shorter. Take the first short string and flip it around the long string without any knot. That was the most tricky part of this project. Then take the same short rope, put it around the long one and through the loop. The second piece of short string is placed all around a long string and through the loop. For the second piece of the short string, do it only once. Do the same with the rest of the short strings. Remember that the first short string from a pair is knotted twice and the other one just once. I hope that makes sense. Now, for the inner corner, do the same knot but only once for each short string. After that, proceed as previous. For the outer corner, locate the pair in the outer corner and 1 pair on each side. Make the knot twice for each short string. After that, proceed as usual. When you finish, trim the excess of the string and brush it. For the, let's say, star's tail, I've used 7 pieces of string, each 2 meters long. To connect them to the star, I used the same Lark's head knot as previous. Then, I grab 1 string and do the second knot type that we used before. The only difference is that I did the knot 2 times for each string. After that, I did the same knot as previous but reversely and on the diagonal. It's easier to look rather than explain in words, so just look. I did that until the middle, and after that I did it other way. Repeat the pattern on the other side. Connect the two sides. Add more strings. I've added 11 for each side and they were 2 meters long. Trim the ends as desired and that's it. Congratulations! It wasn't as difficult as you thought. If you like it, you know what to do. Merry Christmas and see you soon!